Meet Rachel. She's a senior developer living in London. By day, she manages enterprise code, but by night, she is an indie hacker. She built some incredible tools, a high-speed web scraper, and an Amazon data extractor. She listed them on the popular API marketplaces, hoping for some passive income. But the reality hit hard. The marketplace takes a 20% cut, then payment processing fees. And the worst part? She has to wait 30 to 60 days just to see her own money. She is doing the work, but the platform is keeping the cash. Rachel knows there must be a better way. She looks for alternatives, but every other platform asks for the one thing she hates: changes on her code. They want her to install new SDKs, change her authentication logic, or redeploy her entire stack. Rachel has a full-time job. She doesn't have time to rewrite her code or manage complex updates. It's a maintenance nightmare waiting to happen. So, she stays stuck. Until she finds Agnic Hub. Agnic Hub isn't just another marketplace. It is a decentralized monetization layer, and it offered Rachel a risk-free bet. Monetize without touching your code. Watch this. Rachel signs up. She adds her API details. She sets her price. She doesn't install a library. She doesn't change her server logic. She effectively puts a digital toll booth in front of her existing API. It took her 5 minutes. Her API is now live on the network for AI agents and clients. The next day, a client discovers her scraper. They make a request. Here's the difference. When the client pays, the money doesn't go to a holding account. It goes directly to Rachel's wallet, instantly. And the fees? 0. Rachel keeps 100% of her revenue. No middleman eating her margins. No 60-day waiting period. In her first month, Rachel made hundreds of pounds in extra income. The money is already in her account, ready to use. Because it was so easy, she decided to build 3 more services. She turned a side project into a serious income stream. Stop giving away 20% of your hard work. Stop waiting months to get paid. Keep your code, keep your money. Agnic Hub. Turn your API into revenue in 5 minutes. Start earning today.